Hey y'all, I'm Torian Tech, and that's Diamond and Dogho, and we're rock stars. No, like real rock stars. But this is our girl Nienke, at least that's how we found her. She's a 44-foot catamaran, and with nothing but some elbow grease and a mechatronic systems engineering degree, we're gonna bring it back to life. So join us for the journey, y'all.
With me is Torian of Torian Tech.
I'm just living life just how I like. Everybody feeling good, scream yeah, yeah. From the backwoods to the hood, bring it, yeah. What's up, y'all? So hey, I guess we can begin. If you know, you know, but if I go by catamaran, bag was only 83 pounds. Big shout out Huntsville. Sadly, I think the bar is closed, so we might have to get in this one before we go through the gate. But that was at the Huntsville. All right, so we're in the middle of the big TSA, we not going to work type shit. Let's check out how they're doing in Huntsville. Hell of a lot of security. Right, so we're back at the counter because I'm a newbie and I put the lithium batteries in the suitcase and I got a drill in my carry-on. I've never flown with a drill before. I don't know these things, you know. I think everything should just fly with you, but it is what it is. They are back there trying to see if she can just sneak it in my bag real quick instead of having me bring all that thing out. I don't think she wants to open my bag again, but we'll see. So it's been Mars on your feet with a barnyard bash, your big city beat. I'm laid back, not too elite, so gon' show you bullshit won't be repeat. Don't take much for me to feel alive, but the whole time I be chasing high fives. Oh, ain't but a joke. My wheels spin 85. Meet my story in all its road. I'm just living life just how I like. I say, hope ain't but a joke. My wheels spin 85. Meet my story in all its road. I'm just living life just how I like. We just got off our red coach, which I guess just left. That thing gone. We're about to hop in that Uber over there, and we're at Point St. Lucie. This is supposed to be Fort Pierce, but it's really Port St. Lucie. So maybe 21 minutes till we get to our Turo car for the week. We're gonna move the boat tomorrow because, as you see, it's a little dark to be moving in right now. And then I'm gonna check into my Airbnb, and me and Dom are just gonna chill for the night, I reckon. So yeah, see y'all soon. Finally made it to our Turo car. As you can see, it is really late. Thanks to the Uber driver. Let me turn this down a little bit. Big shout out our Uber driver. He was cool. He's following me. They got a check tire pressure light on. They already tripping. That thing little like a Christmas tree. That's the thing about Turo. They be little like a Christmas tree. Anyway, like I said, we're not gonna move the boat tonight because it's obviously dark. I'm just gonna go check in our Airbnb, probably catch a feed, and get ready to go to Orlando in the morning. So let's go, y'all. Didn't really feel like cooking. Wasn't gonna cook, had the whole kitchen on myself. It's a really nice kitchen, by the way. So I just ordered some Uber Eats, Palm Beach hot chicken. I got the 10 wing special with some okra. And before I even open it, I mean, this is a quite large bag. Like, you need muscles. Look at how my muscle flexes to get it. You need muscle to pick this up. So I'm quite excited about this. More Yellow Mall. First day waking up in Florida. You see somebody still in bed there. But it's nice outside. It's gonna be a sunny day. We actually gotta go to Orlando to get my bag, which landed without me. So that's our first little mission. Then I will probably get the U-Haul truck, pick up my solar panels, do an IKEA run, first one ever, and also head to a ship store, which is where they sell parts and stuff for ships. I'm looking for paint because I know I'm repainting soon, and be looking for stuff from my galley, my kitchen. So yeah, let's do it. As you can see, I stole a lot yesterday. Thankfully, the clothes that I wore to bed before I got on the plane were in my backpack because it was too much to put under the plane. So I had something long to put on. But this Airbnb got heat, so I was Gucci. that's the way it goes. Yeah. Y'all, we're doing our thing. Oh boy. I'm letting Diamond get some steps in. He ain't walked too much yesterday. Headed to our terminal. Pick up my bag. Pretty much everything I own. Besides, I can't say it's everything I own no more, because them bags I was told was about 90 pounds each, at least. That's at least how I felt. So, looks like there's too much motherfucking traffic. I mean, they was running your boy off the road. I was trying to park, but we'll be alright. Alright, we got the bag. Had some human goose, never heard that before, but now we flying back to the 4P. A little bit of old time for everybody out there. Hey, cooling in the cut, my head up in the gully. Beard froed out, black Jesus ain't too bummy. Life's been kinda crummy, I never let you know it. Thankful for the Netherlands, let your boy grow it. What is it? It's a mystery, only if you're feeling me. Really meant listening, contemplations, visions, and going on in life with a deeper understanding. Stepping in the room, it's attention, I'm commanding. Hey, no, not for pimping, but slaying, my hand is not for playing. Don't try your luck, end up like Lieutenant Dan. Rick James, fuck your couch, me and that girl be on the sofa. Dita Dogho at the end, guard your boy just like a soldier. Call me the captain, better get the general. Known to be the Koenig in the land of how. What it is, what it ain't, Diamond. So, it's Wednesday. We getting ready to slide up out the Airbnb. It's been real. What up, old? I call him old school. One last again. It's been real. There's not, I've got some choice words to say about my boat buying experience, but everything I say would make it sound like I'm talking shit about the owner, and I'm not trying to. I'm just very upset right now, but you know what? Things happen for a reason, y'all. So, Dewey, turn these lights off. Even though that trash can over there is full of beer, you see how I leave things clean. Hey, y'all, this is our first boat run. Gotta get some lines, which is basically the ropes. That's what they call ropes on boats. I need to get some because mine ain't got none. This is the start of me getting everything, let's just say. Doc Master was like, hey dog, you know you don't gotta buy everything new. But I was like, you know what, let's just run it. So here we are, let's go. Oh, I actually forgot to bring the GoPro into the store because that's not second nature to me yet. But I got my lines, oops. And I got some LED lights as well, because that's gonna be one of the first things I install. I gotta get some actual, yeah. These ones are soft or warm white. I didn't want to get the full bright shits because that's not Gucci. So yeah, now you know. So hey. Yo. Pulled up to the slip. It's gonna be us for the next 3-4 weeks. Diamond pussyfooting around. Met our new neighbors. They're over there. Look at that buddy there. They're over there doing the last minute preps on the boat. And the tow guy is supposed to show up any minute now. So, here we are. Finally, been all week long. It's been Christmas every day for 3 weeks. Don't take much for me to feel alive, but the whole time I be chasing high fives. Oh, ain't but a joke. My wheels spin 85. Meet my story in all its road. I'm just living life just how I like. I say hope ain't but a joke. My wheels spin 85. Meet my story in all its road. I'm just living life just how I like. Oh, I'm just living life just how I like. What's up, y'all? I'm so excited if you can't tell, but you already know what it is. Walmart run. Actually gotta go to Home Depot because I can't get on my boat without a gangplank. So there's that. But anywho, we are going to try to do that, and I gotta get Starlink because the internet doesn't reach all the way out on my dock because I got the big boat on the dock. Ah! Had to say that. But see y'all. I don't know if y'all can see all this shit. This is most of just everything. You see that pizza over there, Diamond over there. This is just most of everything from our runs of Walmart and Home Depot for the gangplanks, which are kind of sketchy, but I just wanted to film Diamond's first. Oh, by the way, I just had a bird bath over there because I got the wrong key to the bathroom. Luckily, there's no one up right now, whatever time it is, because I didn't give a fuck and I was just naked as shit. I said what I said, but I feel like a new motherfucking man. Oh my gosh. Anywho, I'm about to show you how me and Diamond get on. This is gonna be Diamond's first time ever on the boat, actually, because he's never had easy access and still doesn't have easy access. But let me do it before I get tired of this so I can eat and go to fucking sleep. That's it for the first episode, y'all. Be sure to subscribe for next week's episode, where we spend our first full week on the boat, tackling rotten floors and multiple generations of wrecks.
I'm just living, I just have a life.